What's up with the Japanese stock market plunging all of a sudden? Note that my knowledge in economics is extremely minimal. For the past few hours I keep hearing about Nikkei 225 dropping over 10% and how that confirms a bear market. Is this situation really bad for the Japanese and/or the international economy, or is this nothing out of the ordinary? Answer. Cross-posting a comment from r/economics. Written by u/national collapse. For people who are looking at global markets right now and thinking, what the heck is going on? I'll explain it as I understand, but if I'm a bit wrong, please correct me in the comments. Japan has a massive, over 200% public debt to GDP ratio. In 2010, the Bank of Japan reduced its headline interest rates to zero. From early 2016 to the beginning of this year, they were actually below zero. This has allowed individuals and institutions to borrow trillions of USD worth of yen, convert it to dollars, and buy assets, stocks etc. They owe the debt in yen with extremely low, or possibly negative interest rates. It's free money. Estimates vary hugely, but I've seen guesses of around $20 trillion plus entering global markets from this inflow of free money. But wait. Then inflation got bad in Japan. Bank of Japan raised rates to 0.25% a few days ago. This caused the yen to rapidly strengthen. Now all the yen-denominated debt is very toxic. Institutions that borrowed yen to buy dollars, or other national currencies, and then stocks, bonds, etc. under the assumption that yen only goes down, are forced to sell as the yen appreciates. An especially interesting scenario. Let's say markets continue crashing badly and the US Federal Reserve does an emergency rate cut in response. That normally helps, right? Usually, yes. But this time a US rate cut would almost certainly further strengthen the yen against the dollar, causing this cycle to exacerbate even further.